If 6% is deducted from a bill, $282 remains to be paid. How much is the original bill? The original bill would be 100%. 6% is deducted from a bill. It means 6% has been decreased. And, the total amount becomes $282. Here we are going to find the original amount. After a decrease of 6% from the bill, 94% of the bill remains to be paid. 94% of the original bill equals $282. 94 out of 100 times the original bill equals $282. To find the original bill, we will shift 94 out of 100 to the right-hand side. Original bill equals $282 times 100 out of 94. 2 into 50, 100. 2 into 47, 94. Original bill equals $282 times 50 out of 47. 47 into 1, 47. 47 into 6, 282. Original bill equals 6 times 20 equals $300. The original bill is $300.